My dear NEET PG friends, you just appeared in the very important exam of your life. And there will be a complete vacuum right now. And there will be a lot of apprehensions, a lot of predictions going on, what will happen. I have something non-academic to talk to you. Now this period, please do not keep anticipating the result. Whatever you could have done, you have already done that. Let us patiently wait for the result. In this time, please do some non-academic stuff. You have been really sacrificing a lot. You have really not met your friends. You have not gone out. There is a famous restaurant in your city. There is a famous pub or a disco in your city, which you always wanted to go, but you could never go because you had always a hangover of studying and guilt of not studying also. Now, let us take some rest, because I know we have forgotten the real art of living. Being a doctor, I can understand the pressure on us to become a specialist doctor. It takes a huge toll on all of us, particularly mentally. So I would suggest to all of you that let us really, pray for our good result. Let us keep that hope alive. Let us really hope that we score really a good rank and good PG seat. Side by side, let us start living a usual, normal human life also. So guys, freak out a little bit. Do something, foolish thing around you, whatever you want to do. You have been really, in your room studying and doing only academic stuff. Let's plan to go out with friends to a famous pub or a restaurant of your city. Let us sit down, watch movies. Let us be awake late night watching Netflix. Let us do something which usual people also do, because we also deserve to be happy. We are doctors. It doesn't mean that we always have to be stressed about, either appearing in the exam or then after that anticipating the result also. I think let's take a break for some time and let us live a usual happy life for some time, and let us keep praying for our good results also. Best wishes for your good results. Thank you very much.